Hello and welcome to Reviewverse channel. Here you can get every desirable product at affordable price. Hi everyone. Today we are going to take a look at the most affordable products in the Amazon market. We are a group of people working together to give you product reviews in various categories. We try to make informed decisions so that they can meet your needs and still be reasonably priced and of a good caliber. We'll bring up what you should search for before buying them. Let's get started. Toshiba EM131A5C, BS countertop microwave ovens 1.2 CUFT, 12.4-inch removable turntable smart humidity sensor 12 auto menus mute function eco mode easy clean interior black color 1100W. Pre-programmed sensor menu for optimum heating of popular foods like pizza, potatoes, veggies and more. Power wattage, microwave 1100W. Rated voltage, 120V, 60 Hz. Stylish appearance with large interior, fitting a 12-inch pizza black exterior, 20.51 by 17.14 by 12.83 inch, WXDXH, large 2 cubic feet capacity, cavity 13.07 by 15 by 9.5 inch, WXDXH. Removable turntable 12.4 inch diameter. Other functions 1100 watts with 10 power settings, defrost by time and weight, clock, and kitchen timer. Practical control panel large digital display, easy to read control panel. The keypad was covered by a protective film during the shipment. Please peel it off before your first use. Warranty 1 year. Please keep the packaging for contacting Toshiba after service and product returns. Toshiba EM925A5A SS countertop microwave oven, 0.9 CUFT with 10.6-inch removable turntable, 900W, 6 auto menus, mute function and eco mode, child lock, LED lighting, stainless steel. Stylish stainless steel with timeless design. Color of door frame is stainless steel, enclosure is black, kitchen appliances, rated voltage, 120V, 60 Hz, rated input power, microwave ovens 1350W, rated output power, microwave ovens 900W. Kitchen essential with pre-programmed menu for 6 popular foods like popcorn, pizza, potato and more, also defrost by weight and time. One touch start. Quick access to start the microwave from 1 to 6 minutes cooking at full power. Equipped with power-saving eco mode, sound on, off option and child safety lock. If you wish to mute the buzzer of the microwave, please long press on the button 8 for 3 to 5 seconds. The buzzer is automatically switched off after a long beep. Panasonic NN-SN67HST 1.2 cubic feet 1200W cooking power stainless steel cool blue LED inverter turbo defrost countertop microwave oven, renewed. This pre-owned product has been professionally inspected, tested and cleaned by Amazon qualified vendors. Products correspond to one of the following cosmetic conditions: excellent condition. No signs of cosmetic damage when held 12 inches away. Good condition, light scratches, barely visible when holding the device 12 inches away. Acceptable condition, scratches visible when holding the device 12 inches away and perceptible to the touch. When present, batteries have a capacity that exceeds 80% of the new equivalent. Accessories may not be original, but will be compatible and fully functional. Product may come in generic box. This product is eligible for a replacement or refund within 90 days of receipt if it does not work as expected. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. You can find the product links down below within the description.